forget.
Yeah.
So, the key to get optimal diesel fuel mileage is to leave your parking brake on the whole time.
Right there.
Yeah, you gotta turn that off, I think, right?
Yeah, I should probably do that.
There you go, yeah. So now we probably...
Oh, look at that. Jumped up.
There you go.
Tuner.
Tuner's showing results.
100 miles per gallon.
There we go. Diesel life.
Yeah.
Danny, what is this thing?
Got a thermal imaging camera.
I can't open
One-handed.
What's this for?
That will tell you how hot things are, and good for like diagnostics and stuff. You can, find if you have a hot spot on, like if a header, one tube of a header is like too hot than the others or something like that.
So this is like perfect for non-running motors and stuff?
Yeah,
Check out.
Story of my life. Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, we're almost there.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. First time using it, just got it off the trailer. Yeah.
I'm amazed I haven't hurt myself with my backhoe yet.
Yeah, those nice. The little ones are nice.
Yeah. They're nice, but they're little. People say it's not about the size, it's how you use it, but I'm here to tell you different.
Great. This
Yes.
should be a John Deere commercial or Case commercial
Yeah. My big green tractor.
with no reverse.
Except I have a yellow and a orange tractor. Doesn't seem like a Mopar guy. Doesn't have enough shit in his yard.
It's got a Chevy
It's got
Malibu.
some big logs though.
Right.
Chevy Malibu.
Ford Ranger.
A Dodge.
All right, Danny, what you got? What'd you do?
Everything.
What'd you buy here? Got some heads.
A whole bunch of stuff I'm probably never gonna do anything with, but
Got a 440, 383
that is a
steel crank.
steel crank. That's,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know.
Scrap, bunch of scrap.
Yeah,
Okay.
spare engine for the truck, or I could upgrade it to the 440. Nitrous all around.
I need NOS. I need NOS.
Bunch
One
of
good set of heads, 2 sets of boat anchors.
Bunch of-
Box of pistons over there.
bunch of stuff. Stuff we're never gonna do stuff with, but we'll say we will.
Well, I could make, hang 2 of the pistons off
Hey.
the back of the truck.
No, you know what? You know
Instead
what?
of-
Worst case scenario, we got an awesome coffee table.
Yeah, want some coffee deals. $300 for everything. It's not too bad.
280.
Well, plus fuel.
Yeah.
You didn't give me the jack stands though. I wanted
You
these.
should just throw those in there.
Dude, I need those for my 5-ton.
He was offended when you asked.
I want this thing fall over. Jesus. Oh my god, these things aren't light. Christ sakes.
What are these? So those are the 440 heads.
Yeah.
Which one are the 906s?
On the right.
Right here.
Right, too.
Like a view.
Heads. Good head.
What do those things weigh? No pistons on them.
Yeah, with empty, maybe like 200 something.
A piece? Yeah. It's like the same.
What do you think those weigh? Like
I want to say a full 440 weighs like 450 pounds, some ridiculous number.
yeah, so maybe they're like upper like 280 or something.
I would say, yeah, a couple hundred pounds each. Yeah. Well, the heads ain't light, you just pick them up.
Yeah. I'll say this, I'm glad there's a tractor. I wouldn't want to pick it up.
Yeah. That's why I have a tractor for handy though.
I mean, I can feel the weight on the front of it. It's bouncing
Oh
back.
yeah.
Right there. Close up the floor.
Yeah.
I don't want to
You can lay it down. It's alright. Yeah.
There we go.
That's better.
All right, Danny, how we do?
We did all right. Spent double what I had wanted to, but
What do we pick up today?
got double what we got. A wonderful 440, 1972. 1972 440 has a steel crank, a forged steel crank. I
Which
guess.
we thought they were old cast, right?
Yeah, we got to do some research on that. Got the heads that came off of that motor and have basically complete except for a cam. And I didn't see the lifters or anything.
I feel like the cam's not a big deal though, because it probably is a stock cam
and
anyways.
a big bump stick anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that needs some machine work. The cylinders are not as good on that one as the 383. So then I don't think we looked up what year the 383 was. But
No. But because it's just a block, it didn't really matter because it's not.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be a 4-bolt like the Chevys or anything like that.
Yeah. Block. It has all the caps on it, but no other stuff. for
Rods,
that.
pistons.
Yeah. Nothing for that. Which is too bad because those things were fully forged.
Yeah.
Just like my bladder.
What?
Just like I said, full to the brim, just like my bladder.
Is your parking brake off there, champ?
Yeah, you can't smell it?
There you go.
That's how I know. I just open my window. Oh, the working brake on again. This Jeep. Oh, scared you.
Oh. There we go. You know you're in Connecticut when.
When we came out of
Well, Danny, you got yourself some tables.
that. Yes. Hopefully they'll see a car sometime in their life.
It's got paint on it. I mean, it must run, right?
Yeah. That one's actually in pretty decent shape.
Yeah, they don't look that bad. I mean,
I don't see any ears that are broken on any of the bolts.
yeah, that's what I was looking for when we were checking them out. Didn't look too bad.
And look at that as the oil sender right in it too.
Oh yeah, so it's ready to go, right?
Comes fully loaded.
Yeah.